This is the very standard APT question, so I'll go through it quickly because I have done this before. So first part A is very easy. We just set up the equation. So the return is always given by the first number, by the way, is equal to risk-free plus beta 1 times lambda 1 is the risk factor premium, not risk premium, plus this factor premium number 2, and similarly 7.2 is whatever, just write them down, and then you can solve for lambda 1, lambda 2, and risk-free. You have 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Solve this, don't make a mistake. But even if you make a mistake, you can still calculate B and C. So for B, we want to replicate, we don't want to replicate this portfolio, we just want to know the expected return, so it's very easy. You have beta 1 and beta 2, so the price or the expected return, let's write R4 expected would be just the risk-free plus beta 1 times the risk premium 1, factor premium 1, and beta 2 times factor premium 2. So you get these 3 numbers from part 1, so just substitute numbers, and at the end it will be equal to 0.44. I need this number for the next question. So that would be the price. So price, according to APT, price is always equal to expected return. If it's not, then we can somehow arbitrage this. So we always want to price at its expected return. So that will be the price of this thing. The actual return is that. So what it means is for stock or portfolio 4, the price is 0.44 and the return is 0.45. So of course you're going to buy this because it's cheap. You get a return of this, you pay a lower thing. So you want to buy, let's write R4. So that's the important line. You want to sell a replica. So you want to sell this replica 4 replicated from 1, 2, and 3. How to do that? You just set the betas equal. So suppose we buy X units of 1, Y units of 2, and 1 minus X minus Y units of 3. Then we can replicate this. We want this factor 1 to have beta 1.0, and the portfolio beta would be just a linear combination of weighted average according to this weights. 0.8 times X plus 0.4 times Y plus 0.6 times 1 minus X minus Y. Look at these 3 things. So the first one times X, second one times Y, third one times Z, the sum must be equal to 1. So that's what it says. And F2 says similarly 0.4 should be replicated by these 3 plus 0.2, 1 minus X minus Y. So 2 equations, 2 unknowns, you should be able to solve for X and Y. So the most important thing again is to say you want to buy this thing, buy the actual thing because the return is larger than its price, and sell the replica. So what this replica does is the price of this replica will be 0.44 and the return will be 0.44 as well. So it's correctly priced. Of course, we're assuming ABC, 1, 2, 3 are correctly priced. So what this does is we can sell this to get the money to buy that one. So technically, you do not actually need this. The only reason is you don't have the money. So you want to sell something to get the money to pay to buy the one we want. So that's basically it.